to test it, to make sure it works. And it doesn't. Panic set scene. Was worried. Pressing the button, nothing happens. Why is that? I only opened the LCD, so I tried to disconnect it and put it back. I was so worried and stressed here that I didn't really, eventually I got it. I could barely open it. Still nothing happens. Pressing the power button, the home button, nothing. Time to worry. Yeah, this could happen. It could be the connector breaks. And watch this. I thought about plugging in the charger. Yeah.
It's just a screen.
Turns out, screen, checking the cables, nothing suspicious there, and reset them.